The line graph in Excel allows you to show changes over time, and in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to create a simple line chart, how to create a line chart with a secondary axis to show more data on the same chart. We have a cookie company that's only targeting those that laugh in generational wealth, and we'd like to show their quarterly sales performance in a line graph. To do this, we first need to select the table our data is in, go to Insert, Recommended Charts, or we could also click on the Line Chart button. But for now, let's go to Recommended Charts. Select the line chart. OK. And there you go. We've added a simple line chart which we can customize later. What if we wanted to add the sales and the quantity onto the chart? In this case, we'd add another simple line chart again. Insert. Line chart. But this time it's showing the quantity on the bottom, which doesn't look nice at all. So what we can do is, instead of plotting it on the primary axis, we can instead plot it on the secondary axis, which would be here. To do this, we double click on the quantity line, then select plot series on secondary axis, and now it's added it to the secondary axis. We can see the data more clearly. If we wanted to change a line to a column, what we'd do is we'd right click on it, change series chart type, and then change the chart type to a column. Click on OK, and there we go. We now have a combo chart that makes use of both a line and a column chart. If you wanted to change the chart title, we can do this easily as well. If you wanted to add axis titles, we can also do that as well. Click on this little plus and axis titles, and there you go. Let's give these suitable names. And if you wanted to change the chart style, we could also go to chart design and then select one of these chart styles. We can also do a lot more. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.